हाय डियर चिल्ड्रन, कैसे हैं आप? मैं हूं आपकी फ्रेंड मोनिका मेहता। आप जानते हैं कैट फैमिली के बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं, जैसे कैट है, देन जैगुआर है, लायन है। और जैगुआर की मैं क्या बात करूं, इतनी फास्ट भागता है, फास्टेस्ट एनिमल ऑन दिस अर्थ। और जैगुआर की एक और खासियत है, वो सिर्फ ग्राउंड पे ही अच्छा हंटर नहीं है, वो पानी के बीच में भी हंटिंग बहुत अच्छी करता है। मैं आज हूँ करोल बाग में और लेकर आई हूँ आपका फेवरेट प्रोग्राम डेव्स ब्रॉडकास्टिंग चैनल। लेट्स एंजॉय। आपको पता है एडवर्टाइजमेंट लोग अलग अलग तरीके से करते हैं, और पहले भी मैंने आपको बताया था, जो पैम्फलेट्स होते हैं, लीफलेट्स होते हैं, उनको हम पढ़ते नहीं हैं, उनको हम फेंक देते हैं। अब जर्मनी में क्या किया गया है, वहाँ पे 50 के नोट जो है, यूरो है, उसको फोल्ड करके, मतलब आर्टिफिशियल, और उसमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट पूरी छापी गई है। जब वो ज़मीन पर फेंकते हैं ऐसे लगता है अरे ये तो 50 यूरो है, इसको उठाया जाना चाहिए। और जैसे ही वो उठाते हैं उनको पता चलता है कि ये तो एक लीफलेट है, ये तो एक पैम्फलेट है, जिसको आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट के तौर पे यूज़ करते हो, और उस पर किसी न किसी कंपनी का कोई ना कोई ऐड होता है। व्हाट अ स्मार्ट स्कीम! लोगों को पैसे का लालच आता है, मगर बहाने से वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट देख लेते हैं। टाइम इज मनी, टाइम इज प्रीशियस। जिन बच्चों के एग्जाम होने वाले हैं, भला उनसे अच्छा कौन जान सकता है टाइम की वैल्यू। आपको पता है म्यूनिक टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी में बड़ी बड़ी सी स्लाइड्स बनाई गई हैं, टॉप फ्लोर, ग्राउंड फ्लोर और सारे फ्लोर्स को कनेक्ट किया गया है बड़ी बड़ी स्लाइड्स के साथ, ताकि बच्चे वहां पर जूम करें, स्लाइड करें और अपने वाले फ्लोर पर जल्दी से पहुंच जाएं विदाउट वेस्टिंग देयर टाइम, और अपनी क्लासेस प्रॉपर्ली अटेंड करें। व्हाट एन इनोवेटिव आइडिया, वेरी गुड। Hi kids, today as I have told you we are in Karol Bagh, and today I got some smart kids with me. I'll be naming some object, or they'll be bringing some object, and they will speak about that object. It is called show and tell. And let me invite my first guest, the cute one. Please come, a child from class first. What's your name?
Nitish Kodra.
Nitish Kodra. And what is your topic?
Wear mask.
Wear mask. Yes, it's very important. Okay, start. What is the use of mask? Why we are using mask?
Mask protect us from COVID-19. Mask protects us from germs. My mask protect you. Your mask protect me. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Wear a mask.
Oh wow! So it was Nitish, and he was apprising us about the usage of mask. Very good, Nitish. And now we have our next contestant, and she is having a son, and she'll talk about son. Hi dear.
Hello ma'am.
What's your name?
Ashvi.
Look dear, Kashvi. So you are having a son. Tell us something about son.
Hello everyone, my name is Kashmir Pathania for Dips Karol Bagh Jalandhar. Today I want to tell you about the sun. Sun is a star. Sun is a star. The sun is too hot. Sun is larger than the earth. Sun source of light. Sun source of energy. Sun source of vitamin D. Sunrise in the morning, sunset in the evening. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, Kashvi. Thank you. So, Kashvi was talking about sun. Now I have a cute boy with me who will talk about milk. Okay, milk boy, come here. Hi dear, what's your name?
This teacher.
Okay, Jasdeep, tell me, do you drink milk?
Yes, ma'am.
How many glasses in a day?
2.
2 glasses. That is why he is strong. Okay, let's talk about milk.
Hello everyone, I am Tashdeep Singh from 2nd class. Today I am talking about milk. Milk is very helpful for us. We get it from cow and buffalo. It helps in our growth. Milk is very helpful for us.
and we should drink milk every day.
We should drink milk every day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. You know what? I met with a confident girl. She was very active and her face was glowing and her eyes were so sparkling. And I thought she's just my replica. Let's welcome this beautiful girl. Come. How smart she is. What's your name?
Prachi Sharma.
Prachi, okay. This is your laptop?
Ma'am.
It's Dell laptop and let's talk about it. Yes, please.
Good morning everyone. Myself Prachi Sharma from 3rd standard. Today I speak some lines on laptop. A laptop is a small computer. It is to carry anywhere. It was invented by Adam Osborne in 1981. We can fold the laptop. A laptop contains rechargeable battery. Laptop have a built-in keyboard and touchpad. It has a thin computer screen. A laptop are used at work, in education, for playing games, banking, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Wow, she was so confident. Let's talk about our tall girl now. Let's see what she wants to speak. Come, girl. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Utnika.
Okay, Avneet, what's your topic?
My topic is pen drive.
Pen drive. Okay, it's very important. Let's talk about it.
Pen drive is compact in size. It is labeled. It is light in weight and easy to play. And it is very powerful. They are used to share and save several documents. Thank you and have a nice day.
Wow, thank you so much. You know, a pen drive can be considered as a chota packet bada dhamaka because you can feed, you can store endless data from your mobile, from your laptop, and you can store it in this small device and keep it in your pocket. So let's talk about our next girl. Please come, girl. Hi.
Hello ma'am.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Nikita.
Okay, you want to talk about notebook?
Yes ma'am.
Let's start.
A notebook has a blank book that you can carry everywhere. I have 2 lines for Punjabi, 4 lines for English, and 5 lines for
Hindi.
2 scale lines for maths.
Okay. So do you think notebooks are important?
Yes, ma'am.
What you are doing with your notebooks?
We will write on them, and the notebooks
The notebook stores your all data,
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
Your question answers, your make sentences, your word meaning, and when you are writing neatly, what ma'am is giving on the notebook, when you are doing good work.
ma'am, very good and stuff.
Oh wow, shabash! Thank you so much. Now, God bless you. Now I have a little packet with me. Come here. What's your name?
Madhvi.
Madhvi, I'm so happy with your smile. May God bless you. Keep smiling. Okay, Madhvi is going to talk about.
Hand sanitizer.
Oh my God, very vital part of our routine these days during COVID. This was our best companion. Let's see what she wants to talk. Yes, Madhvi.
Hand sanitizer is used to kill germs and bacteria on hands. It is liquid, gel or foam. We should apply hand sanitizer to the palm of one hand. Rub hand together. It requires less time than hand washing. We can see hand sanitizer in public places, schools and homes. Also, germs are invisible but they are everywhere. Hand hygiene is very important for respiratory system. Thank you and have a nice day.
Oh, thank you. And you too have a nice day, baby. Okay, now. Hi children, do you know नैनीताल में काला डूंगी नाम में एक जंगल है. वहाँ पर 2 ट्रीज हैं. पूरी दुनिया में उन ट्रीज के बारे में बात हो रही है. जब उनको टिकलिंग करो तो वो हंसते हैं. उनके ऊपर आप अपनी फिंगर्स रब करो तो उनकी जो टहनियाँ हैं, ब्रांचेस हैं, वो हिलती हैं और वहाँ से टिकलिंग की आवाज़ आती है. वो ऐसे छुई मुई हो जाते हैं. इस इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ आज का प्रोग्राम वाइंड अप करते हैं. कौन सा प्रोग्राम है भाई? Dips Broadcasting Channel. So bye bye. फिर आऊंगी आपके लिए लेकर ढेर सारी इंफॉर्मेशन. Keep listening and keep watching and keep sharing and keep subscribing. Dips Broadcasting Channel.